Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here today I want to discuss about the stopping by woods on the snowy evening. This is the poem at page number 11. This is the second poem. The previous, after the project description, there was the work on workbook. But right now I'm not having the workbook of class 5, so it's very difficult to sort out them. You can send me the page of workbook and I will inshallah guide you about the solution and how to solve the workbook sums, and inshallah it will I will make you understand and you will do it practically. So our next topic is stopping by words on the snowy evening. Words to know: the darkest evening, the evening which is very dark, probably the winter evening in the northern sides. Downy flakes, like down, soft under feathers of young birds. Flake, small pieces of snow flakes. Harness, the leather straps and belts used to control a horse. Robert Lee Frost, I will call him RLF during the discussion. RLF was also a poet, he was also a teacher, he was also a writer. He wrote many poems and he got many Nobel Prizes on the poems. While writing this poem, he was thinking about, he was not thinking anything special. On a snowy evening, he came outside from his house and he saw this beautiful scene. So he decided to write something and he wrote this beautiful poem. This poem doesn't contain any meaning. This is just for the enjoyment. He has used rhyming pattern as well as he has used the phonics meter. So rhyming pattern means, like, if your poem is if you are watching your page number 11, no, do, snow. So this is A B A. आपका rhyming pattern is I know, I do. So this is very beautiful. Whose wood these are? I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. So the rhyming pattern is A B A. The in the line, now, though, snow refers A, the sound A. The meter of the poem which he has given, actually meter means the number of syllables. He has given the perfect meter in this poem. Number of syllable is approximately, there are 8 syllables in each line, and in every line the syllables are very same. The meter is perfect of this poem. So while reading, you must have to make care of syllable, rhyming pattern and meter. Whose woods these are? I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. Again A. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds sweep on the easy wind and downy flake. Again, the rhyming pattern he has used: shake, mistake, sweep, flip. He's talking about that in these 3 stanzas. In the first, he is talking about whose woods, ये किसके जंगल हैं. आई नो हिम, आई थिंक आई नो हिम. उसका घर यहीं पे है. आई इज़ नॉट वॉचिंग मी. माई लिटिल हॉर्स मस्ट थिंक. अब मेरा छोटा सा घोड़ा ये बहुत अजीब सा सोच रहा होगा कि देयर इज़ नो फार्म हाउस, वाई वी हैव स्टॉप हियर. द डार्केस्ट इवनिंग ऑफ द ईयर, मतलब इतनी अंधेरी रात और सर्द तारीख रात, साल की सबसे सर्द रात में, सरतरीन रात में यहाँ पे क्यों रुके. He is thinking about his own. He gives his harness bells to shake to ask if there is some mistake. There is only sounds sweep of easy wind and downy flake. In these lines, he says that the horse gives his harness bells to shake if there is some mistake. The horse is asking that if there is some mistake, or that if there is some sound and on the easy way and downy flake, how can they solve this problem? The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Here he want to discuss that the woods are looking the woods, the jungle is looking very beautiful, very dark, very deep. But I have promised to keep. But I will not sleep here. I will not take a rest here because I have promised to keep going ahead, and miles to go before I sleep. And before sleeping, I have to travel miles and miles. In the fourth stanza, the rhyming pattern is deep, keep, sleep, sleep. A, 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 A. So the meter is the same. In this poem, he generally thinks about different things, and he imagines himself in the woods, and he actually was sitting in the woods, and he imagines himself was sitting in the horse, and he thinks about some of the things. This is not something particular, but this is for knowledge and learning. You should speak this poem loudly. You should read this poem loudly and speak with each other in the same rhyming words.